hear my line no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't.
Welcome back to my channel, and today me and the kids are doing our first mukbang together. They decided they wanted some seafood, so I got them some seafood. So, and I also got Aussie ham and the crab legs. And we also have, look what we also have.
Big
Ooh,
giant crab.
A big giant crab. So,
And we got the medium one.
and then we have the medium crabs as well. So, let's dig into this right now. All right, hold on. We got it. So, we have this. So, what do you guys want to eat first?
Shrimp.
Yeah, y'all can eat the shrimp. I'm not one to eat the shrimp. Right?
It's some sauce.
So what they're gonna eat the shrimp. I think I'm gonna have the corn. You guys okay with shrimp?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this corn is real good.
It's hot sauce in it.
Yeah, hot sauce on the corn. You want a piece?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you okay?
You want that? This is real good, guys.
You should have.
Should have what?
Should have got the combo. And then we got multiple. Yeah.
I would have jumbo. We should have got the jumbo. This is a nice size shrimp. These nice size shrimp. But I don't want to eat shrimp. I'm gonna tell them after, cause I don't want to eat shrimp no more. So, Nana, you were struggling over there with it. She is struggling over here with this shrimp right here. Okay, hold on. Let's see.
You peel the fat.
And you gotta peel it fast. Okay, guys, let's get into this crab leg. Here we got.
That's a big giant one, like a big. That looks like a big gorilla.
Oh, guys, look at this. Yeah, we got a lot of sauce on it. Okay. Then you want to taste it? It don't taste good. Don't spit. Oh.
It's good.
It do taste good. London tripping. You didn't like it?
That thing hot.
Oh, it's too hot for London.
And hot for me.
Oh, I do like it. This crab leg is really good, guys. It's hot.
Maybe you can help me.
You want to help? You want him to help you? Okay. London, guys, she has to learn how to peel shrimp. She don't know how to peel them just quite yet.
That's a big little fat thing.
It's a big crab.
Yeah, it's fat.
The crab is fat. What? Guys, she's silly.
I mean, it got a bunch of meat in it.
Yes.
It has a bunch of meat in it.
Okay. Guys, are y'all excited about going to the pool today?
Yeah. Just have fun in the pool. But that's if you want me to have. And we're gonna make another video when we go to the pool.
Oh yeah, guys, they wanna vlog when we're at the pool. So we're gonna
play floor lava. I mean pool lava.
pour lava.
Pool lava.
Oh, bless him. What is that?
It's like you have floaties.
Like, when they say the floor lava, they gotta say the pool
Tell
lava.
the guys what it is.
Like, it's like,
yeah, you have
it's like, you run in the pool, like, you gotta try to get on a floaty, but you don't, like, get, like, floaty, so.
If you burn, if you burn, you have to
like, if you're not on a floaty, you out, and you gotta wait until the next round.
That's what it is, guys. Guys, this crab leg is not really meaty. It's just a little bit. I don't know. They kind of lost us on this one. They got us on this one.
Well, that'd be funny.
Oh, guys, it's hot.
It's not hot to me because
It's hot. It's hot like a spicy.
Hot like spicy.
It's hot like.
I'm eating straight
Fire.
through the shrimp.
I see these guys.
You passed them.
We got so much seafood. I don't know if we're going to be able to finish all this, but
You gotta try.
we are going to try our best. We have sausages as well.
He should close their eyes and pick what he has.
Close your eyes. Let me see.
You have to close. You have to close your eyes.
And then they want me to close my eyes, and then I have to eat whatever I pick. Let me see. What am I going to pick? A sausage.
Now it's Ozzy's turn.
He's fine. You
Crab leg.
It's my turn.
in London, she got shrimp. So, well, guys, we're gonna wrap. We're gonna finish eating this seafood. I hope you guys enjoy me and the kids' first seafood mukbang. We really enjoy making these videos for you guys. So let us know down below, what do you want to see us do next. And as always, thank you guys for watching my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video.